Burnt it once, yeah me too. Now we're cooking like pros, kinda it'll do. Flipping it wrong, but it still tastes right. Bushcrafty Cooks, we feast tonight. And as always, happy cooking.
Hey guys, welcome back. It is Bushcrafty Cooks, and today we are going to be making some peanut butter French toast. And like always, we're going to start with some eggs, fresh from the chicken. I like these colored eggs, different color eggs. And we'll use one more. There we go. Okay, what I like to do is put a dash of vanilla in there. Yeah, that's probably good. Actually, a little bit more. There we go. A few more drops. And some cinnamon. I just kind of eyeball it. That should be good enough. If we need more, we can add more. And you do this mixy thing here, where you mix everything up really good. And we're going to go ahead and put some milk or some heavy cream in there in just a minute. I like to get this all mixed in before I put that in there. Try to get some of that cinnamon that's sticking to the side. It already smells good already. So let me go get some milk and we'll be right back. Okay, let's put a dab of milk in there. It should be good. And do the mixy thing again. Try to get this mixed in as much as you can. There we go. I think that's good. Let me go ahead and clean up and put these eggs away and get the bread ready. And we'll be back. Okay, what I like to do is get my bread in there. I like the big pieces of bread too. I want to make sure you get both sides nice and coated. Like so. As you can see, it's coated on both sides. Drip the excess off. And place it in. And I use butter for my fat. And cook it up. So we'll be back when this starts sizzling a little bit more, and we can flip it over and I can clean my hands. Okay, we are starting to sizzle just a little bit, and it's probably just the butter going. Give it a little mixy mix a little bit, see if we can get some more of that butter incorporated there. Let's go ahead and give it a flip. And we're going to get this side. Now, what I'd like to do before we get going too much is I got my plate here. As you can see, I am going to put a bit of syrup at the bottom of that. You will see when we get there. Let it heat down a little bit. Flip it over. It is looking good. Get this on this side here a little bit. And I think we're ready to move this puppy over. Let's move this over. And let's place a French toast right there in the middle. We got to make one more. So hang tight. Let's get a few more pieces of butter on the skillet. There you go. And you can use whatever you want, but I'm using butter. go ahead and do this again. You don't have to use your hands. It's easier, better, you know, that kind of thing. Get it on there. Make sure you drip everything off. Tap it on there again. Clean your hands. Rinse and repeat. And as you can tell, we're starting to smoke a little bit. As soon as it starts smoking, you know the bread is starting to get a little toasty. So flip it over. Do the other side. And I'm going to show you where the peanut butter comes in. So let's go ahead and turn this off. I'll go ahead and make the rest later, but I just want to show you what we're doing here first. Make sure you get both sides really good. You get a final toast on both sides. And get all that butter up if you can, because that's extra flavor. Okay, so let's set this aside and we'll be right back. Okay, here you go. This is our first one here with the syrup on the bottom, and then we're going to go ahead and put some peanut butter on here, just like so. And then we're going to go ahead and put some butter on that part too, and we're going to go ahead and a little bit of syrup. I don't like a lot of syrup, so that's why I'm not putting that much on. Then we're going to go ahead and place our other French toast on there, and you guessed it, more peanut butter. Now you can put any kind of the peanut butter. You can also use the Nutella stuff for those who like that. There we go. And then go ahead and put a little bit more syrup on there, and you're good to go. Let me go ahead and get my fork. And give it a taste. Good stuff. So there you have it. And you can put some fruit in there in between if you like that kind of thing. You can put some marshmallows on there or whatever. But these are my peanut butter French toast. Until next time, like always, happy cooking.